Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
We used to think of malware as this clunky, obvious bug that just breaks things.
But today's threat is way smarter. It doesn't break the machine, it actually twists its logic.
This new kind of attack is called AI data poisoning. And yeah, it's designed to corrupt from within.
See? This isn't some temporary trick. It's a permanent flaw that gets baked right into the AI's brain.
So how on earth do attackers pull this off, right under our noses?
Well, they use this sneaky method called a clean label attack, and it's basically invisible.
The data looks totally fine, the label is correct, but it secretly rewires the AI's thinking.
And what this does is create a sleeper agent that just sails right through all the safety tests.
And get this, it can take as few as 250 bad documents to create this secret backdoor.
So what actually happens when one of these sleeper agents gets triggered in the real world?
Well, the stakes are sky high. We're talking flawed medical scans, insecure code, you name it.
Okay, that sounds pretty scary, but the good news is we are not defenseless here.
We've got some pretty powerful defenses, like tracing data sources and teaching the AI to spot tricks.
First up is data provenance. Think of it like a detective that finds the source of the poison.
And second, there's adversarial training. It's kind of like a sparring partner that toughens up the AI.
Which leaves us with a huge question. In this new world, can we really trust the AI's teacher? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.